What is going on, guys? Sebastian Squid here. In this video, I want to discuss something. So, I started off this channel and my overall business career with dropshipping, but I didn't do dropshipping with Facebook ads. I used influencer marketing. So basically, over the past month, I haven't been on social media or YouTube, which has been kind of difficult, definitely different for myself. But on that topic, I started a dropshipping store with minimal budget. Like, I set myself to have minimal budget, and I spent $600 on an influencer post for a brand new product that I thought that it was gonna do well, and I generated quite a decent amount of money with the store. So in this video, I'm gonna expose the product, the store. Well, I won't show the website because I'm still running the store, but I'll show the product and all that stuff in this video. So yeah, let's get into it. So lately there's been a huge trend for like e-girls and e-boys. It's a TikTok thing. Kind of just an internet thing where it's a certain style of girls or guys, and it's like internet type of kids who are TikTokers normally, or like Instagrammers or Snapchatters or YouTubers who have this certain style. It's borderline goth, but not completely, and that's sort of the style, and I kind of understand it. I don't think I dress like an e-boy or whatever, but I do wear some jewelry, and this was the product. It was so I'd worn these. I've like been wearing one of these for quite some time. It's basically a lock with a chain, and so that's literally it. I'll put it on real quick. So here's the product. I just put it on, but yeah, it is a lock right here, and then it's a chain. So it looks, I don't know, I think it looks cool. I wear this at least like a few times a week just because I like the style of it, and this product was something I've been wearing for the past few months without thinking of selling it, because I had seen a lot of people on TikTok, Instagram, Snapchat, YouTube, and in general, guys and girls wearing the product, but no one was doing heavy promoting. Everyone was just ordering a lock and then going and buying a chain and making their own. So I kind of tried to figure out if I could sell this product, if I could find sourcing, and all of this stuff. So as you guys know, I used to live in Los Angeles. I knew a lot of famous-ish people on Instagram and YouTube, and so I contacted some people that I knew. I worked with this girl who I won't disclose her name. She has under 500,000 followers on Instagram, and I talked to her about if I can have her promote this product, which was this one, and she agreed to doing a 24-hour story post on her Instagram for $600. In return, she would film a video with the product and do a swipe up. So that was the agreement, and we did that. It was probably a week ago, and so far I believe we've generated $2,700 for the whole promotion. Now I'm gonna explain the profits in the end of this video. I'll break down every expense that I have, including the product costs and apps that I'm using and email marketing, and exactly what I do to make sure I'm maximizing my revenue for each store that I run. But that was that. How I did the math for the store to make sure that I'm gonna make money is she on average got, let's just say, I believe it was 70,000 story views. So we type in 70,000, and I just said, let's just say 10% swipe up. That is 7,000 story swipe ups. And then if we can get a 2% conversion rate, I times that by 0.02, that's 140 conversions times an average order value of 30, that would be $4,200. Now I did around like $1,400 less than this, but that's completely fine because I was still very profitable. So when I saw these numbers, I knew it would vary around $1,000 up or down, and that was completely fine because I knew as long as I got like at least $1,200 revenue, I would be profitable. And it was actually lower because I did some more stuff to lower my cost of goods and all that stuff, which I'll get into again at the end of this video. So this was a pretty fun promo because it's something that I used to do. I used to do influencer marketing all the time. I think one of the cool stories I have is starting out, when I had, this was my bank account balance at the time, $42.74. I had to figure out how to make a lot of money, and I did an influencer post. I spent $7, which now thinking back, like having an influencer accept the promo for $7 is unreal, because $7 is like no money, like it's a Chipotle burrito. And he posted an ad for my product for 24 hours, and the product generated like $1,000 that day. So that was crazy for me, life-changing. That's why I tattooed it on my arm, but that made me realize like how much money I could still generate with influencers. And this product still will generate me, I can probably have this doing like 30 grand a month revenue on just Instagram influencers pretty easily. So when I saw that I could sell this product, I found listings on AliExpress to dropship the product. I just started creating the store, talking to these influencers, and put deals together. So that was really cool. I was super hyped that I was able to generate around $2,700. I'm still getting sales to this day. Yesterday I did like $60 in revenue, even though I did the promo like a week and a half ago, so it's been a while, and I'm still getting sales. I'll explain exactly how I'm doing that right now. I've set up email marketing, which is huge, so I email customers X amount of days after, let's just say 3 days after, or 1 day after, 3 days after, 5 days after they purchase, and give them a discount code. Day 1, it'll be like 10%, day 3, maybe let's just say 15%, all the way up to 25% to where you're still profitable and make money per sale, but it's like not a crazy amount. So that's what I do on the back end of my stores now, because it's very important to capitalize on these customers, because if they bought from you once and you have other similar products on your store, they may buy from you again, and it's worth it to set up emails to potentially squeeze out as much money as you can with these stores. You know, I'm spending $600 on a promotion. I wanna make sure I capitalize as much as I possibly can on this promotion. Now that we have that out of the way, I wanna explain exactly how much I profited on this promotion. Overall product cost, you know, domain for the store, Shopify hosting, apps, everything. I wanna explain how much I profited. So for the promotion, I spent $600, and that was that. Okay, so we have $2,751. Here, we'll do the math right here. 2,751 minus 600, we're left with $2,151. That is not including a domain. Domain, I think I spent $5 because I bought it off GoDaddy, and then I set up an email. That is an extra, I think $4.99. We'll just say another $5. Because if you are still using just a Gmail, you need to fix how you run your stores. If you want to get more sales and look like a true brand, set up a G Suite. It's like a few dollars a month. Even if you run the store for 1 month, it looks so much better and can increase trust a ton. I didn't know what I was going to say there. So we're right now at $2,141. Product cost was $779, and then I believe Shopify was $30, and then I haven't paid for any apps yet. The email marketing has been free, and all that stuff has been free. So profit, we are left with $1,332. I basically invested $600 and generated over $1,200, so I over doubled my money. Well, I basically tripled my money with that promotion. Now, that was crazy for me to see, because this influencer worked really, really well for me. I will be using them way more often now with new products, similar products, and stuff along those lines. This just goes to show that influencer marketing is still a viable source of income. I strongly suggest it if you guys haven't tried influencers yet. But let me discuss what type of influencer I used. So a lot of people think that you should be doing meme page marketing or stuff along those lines, themed pages, stuff like that. For myself, I find most value in actual influencers, like people. So I used a girl, I won't say her name, but I basically shipped her out a product. I could not get one of these shipped from AliExpress soon enough, so I literally, if I'm being honest, I ordered a lock on Amazon, and then I went to like Michael's or somewhere and got chain that looked exactly like the chain that's on my product, that's being fulfilled from AliExpress, and I made a chain myself, like with my hands. I, you know, looped it onto the lock, put a little clasp on the back, and then I shipped it to her, 2-day shipping. She got it on a Friday, and I think she did the promo on, let's just say, a Sunday or a Monday. And that was that. So I did what I had to do to get her the product as fast as possible, and then she basically filmed the video. She's like,
"Hey guys, it's blank. You know, just got this new lock necklace. If you guys want one, they have a sale, swipe up."
And that was basically it. And yeah, I generated around $2,751, which was seriously so cool. I think that was like the most money I've ever generated with just an influencer so far, which is super awesome. Like, I'm definitely gonna just be using a ton of influencers now in the next few months to build up a shit ton of data, and then do retargeting, email marketing, all that stuff. I've learned quite a bit from a few people in the past week or two though, because I met someone who has done $600,000 in revenue and spent around $40,000 on ads. And so I have a lot of stuff that I'm gonna be implementing into my other stores, and I'll probably talk about that in the next probably few weeks or something. But hope you guys did enjoy this video. I again was off social media this whole month of August, but I'm back. I'll be posting on YouTube regularly now, dropshipping content, because I have a lot to share with you guys about it. If you guys want to follow me on Instagram, you can follow me here. It's @TMP. But other than that, hope you guys again did get value from this video. If there's one tip I could give you guys, it's look into influencers, like personal influencers, and try them out if you have a product. This product had no sales on AliExpress. Trust me when I say that. Had like none, like I think 70 orders, and it was all random people just buying it because they wanted to have a certain style. And then I saw the trend and I caught it, and it's still going. Like you can still probably sell this product on Instagram pretty easily. And yeah, I made money from it, around $1,300. And if you guys did enjoy this, please do smash the like button. I literally gave away a product that I'm still selling, so hopefully that earns a like, because this is my first video in quite some time. And if it doesn't do well, I'm probably gonna cry in my bed tonight. I'm just kidding. So yeah, I think that's about it for this video. Hope you guys again did enjoy. If you haven't subscribed already, we can't be friends unless you subscribe, so click the subscribe button right now, or else I will block you on YouTube and Instagram and Snapchat. Just kidding as well. But yeah, that's about it. I'll see you guys hopefully soon. I don't really know when I'm gonna film another video. If you guys have recommendations, drop them down below. Like I know for me, I'm gonna go on a rant. I always think I'm gonna end the video and then I keep talking. I know for me, I think I explain everything, but I've been doing this for quite some time and I don't truly know the stuff that you guys don't know. So if you guys don't know something with dropshipping or have a question, and there's a lot of people who have the question, I'll make a video about it. I just don't know because I'm doing this all the time, so stuff that I think is common sense may not be common sense to most people who've never done dropshipping. Okay, I tried to outro this for the past minute. I don't know what to say. Bye.